Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Chime account. And if you're wondering how to set up a Chime account, this video is for you. Let's get right into it. The first step, it will be to download the Chime app. So first you want to do is to go to the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Then you want to search for Chime and select the app in the search results. Then click Get or Install to download the app. And once you're done with that, you're done with step 1. We're going right to step 2, and that is to create a Chime account. So what you want to do is to first up open the Chime app and tap sign up. Then you want to enter your email address, create a password, and other personal information. You got to input that. Then you have to provide identification documents such as driver's license or a passport. Then you got to verify your social security number or your individual taxpayer identification number. So once you provide all the basic information, it's going to sign you in and your account will be set up. But now there are some requirements to take notes about creating an account on Chime. And the first is you got to be at least 18 years old to open a Chime account. So that goes without saying. You got to be an adult. You got to be at least 18 years old. The second is you got to be a US resident to open a Chime account. So sorry to all you guys who are not from the US. You can't open a Chime account if you're not from the US. So the third one, of course, is you must provide valid identification documents to verify your identity. So if you don't have your passport or your driver's license, you're not going to be able to do that. So you got to make sure you meet all these requirements before you can, of course, open a Chime account. That's pretty much it for the video. Hope you found it useful. Hope you liked it. If you did, like the video and comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.